Hi, I'm Paul. We're going to be learning about this.
Hello guys, welcome along to this video. I'm Paul and I'm joined with my little assistant here, Small Paul.
Hi.
Now today we're going to be looking at the new product we have, which is the Goldstrike Lightning Distribution Block. We're going to be doing the unpacking of it today, and maybe on another day during the week we'll be doing a full installation video. So Paul, do you want to open the box?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're looking at what the contents of the box. Paul, what do you have?
What is this called?
Just open it and hand it to me. Okay. So this is the harness. So you have the two harnesses that will plug into the bike's wiring loom. Then you have the distribution block. Open that. And that's the distribution block. You have 24 ports in it, 12 left and 12 right, where you can plug in all your accessories. One of the advantages of this one is it also comes with, you can get separately a harness that would have a Curiacan plug on it, a Pathfinder plug, and you also have the Goldstrike plug. So it makes it very versatile with any accessories you want to add onto the bike. We'll be making a video next of the installation of this product. So hopefully you will enjoy looking at that. So I'll say goodbye from myself, Paul, and from Small Paul here.
Bye.
And from our videographer, Monica.
Bye.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe.